We push the limits of what's possible to craft the future of handheld camera stabilization. Introducing DJI RS2, a versatile, powerful platform built to take your shots to the next level. RS2 goes beyond stabilization, giving you complete control right at your fingertips. RS2 is light enough to take anywhere and strong enough to handle any setup with the reimagined carbon fiber construction, allowing you to capture your shots with effortless versatility. We've also added more mounting and expansion options for an endless range of shooting scenarios. Our Titan stabilization algorithm ensures smooth, stable footage. Activate Super Smooth to adjust torque and motor control to eliminate even the smallest vibrations. Traditional setups get a cutting-edge upgrade with our RavenEye wireless transmission system, enabling simplified remote viewing and control. Essential features like Active Track 3.0 are now accessible directly on the full-color touchscreen. Our 3D focus system gives you pinpoint autofocus even when using manual lenses. Using TOF sensors, this system measures the distance between your camera and the subject, adjusting focus quickly and flawlessly, even in low light. From solo shoots to larger productions, RS2 offers the complete package to get the shots you need. Turn your visual possibilities into cinematic reality with DJI RS2.